This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by jyork. Highly sought after one-level home with beautiful Fairview Lake as your backyard. This home features an open floor plan with a spacious kitchen that flows into an adjacent family room with a gas fireplace, a grand formal living room, a dining room, a huge primary suite with a walk-in closet, 2 additional bedrooms, a full hall bath, and a laundry room. Outside, enjoy an attached 2-car garage, beautifully landscaped front and backyard, and ginormous back deck to watch all the fantastic wildlife lake life offers. For more information, review the details below or contact Jacob York at 503-287-8989.